Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the essential parts and making the first connections. This gets you into action fast. Mount the servo or solenoid and fix the Arduino nearby. Connect grounds together so the control reference is stable, then wire the signal to a PWM-capable pin. For solenoids, use a MOSFET and a diode across the coil to protect the board. For a servo, power it from a separate 5V supply. Once done, double-check polarity and secure connectors to avoid intermittent faults. You now build the control logic and upload the sketch that makes the lock behave predictably. Read the input button with debouncing so you avoid false triggers, then implement a simple state machine that toggles locked and unlocked states. For a servo, drive defined angles. For a solenoid, pulse the MOSFET and include a timeout to stop holding current. Use serial prints for debugging and ramp PWM values slowly so the mechanism moves smoothly. This reduces strain and prevents jamming. You finish by mounting the actuator securely and adding safety features that protect both the door and electronics. Align the latch carefully and use shims or foam to eliminate play. Misalignment causes most failures. Fit a manual override and a fuse on the supply, and consider current sensing to detect stalls. If the system fails, first check the power rails and ground, then bench test the MOSFET and diode, and watch serial debug to pinpoint where logic or timing is breaking down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.